nakalian ke jongi kom geseng jela pampau ke jing susi namar ki don nakalian jongi para contractors ki jongi ke bang yumkwa ban jer keteng namar ke jing jur pelat ke pressure namar ke shimlun na bang ki shimni ki tiar na ki dukan ni hardware ke mat bahadu bagila suicide ke jing yemro
Menteri Jongkatnat Public Health Engineering Uba Marcus Marang, lembat Chief Executive Engineer Uba RS Nombri, Hakano Paisngi Jongkan Riotarik Ujamang, Kilalum ya Kejingalang, Bat Kesengki Contractor Kibadon Hakalama, Jongkakasi Jaintia Government Contractor and Supplier Association, Ha Conference Hall Jongka Office Trekam ke PHE, Bania Kren Sani, Halor Kejing Baki Nong Tre Contractor, Kibap Pintre ya Skim Sam Kablatip Kajal Jivan Mission Ki Yakendo, Kamtam Habayade Bat Kejingbam Pat Pelachu Daka Sorkar, Yakabil Jonki Kabalakon Shaka Kandai Spark Lurtam. Habakrench kilat pathai khubor, Menteri Ulapin Pau ba kajing slam ban pilat ya kabil Jonki contractor, kadai namar ka Sorkar India kalabo bontli ki kendon, bat ha kaba Ulapin Pau ba kajing slam kadairu namar kajing bompat IT ka District Council ya ka Utilization Certificate shaka Sorkar India. Nalor kata uloong, ba Sorkar jela shen kanselet mi shenong ba Delhi, banyakren bat Sorkar India, pankirpat pelat no ya kabil Jonki, kumta ulakin tu ki contractor pakin long ki bayasha.
nakalian ke jongi ni pampau ke jing so kan namar yo ya kalat yo ban ya nduk yo Minister in charge terkat bagi officers jongka PHE department de jing keren ke jongi kalong ba kejing slam ni ka DJM kumtu bang laju UP mat baka dehi da kejing pembun juga Sorkar India kita ki kot kisla bagi hampan pembiang da kedian jongki officer kibo di kot kibo phe dena komentar so slay ke officer namar ba net na kapatsi bidan ke ba wat ada gede ki CCT do mat bagi hampan wan trek pembiang di kot kisla na kuwi ke por rai na kai ke jin setelah kamta ke si lomba nakalian jong minister kalau ba long ini ba kat ba kampat wan naga telefon naga central government kalau ba in thau kalat kelenti ke wan penyo na no funds ba menamar kata dan ya kene ka kam kalau ba yang ya grant ba gede ke page ke finance dan kalau nakalian ke jumi kili nanti kalau ba kata ke jingom ke jong se kan yarap ini ke empat ayat asuran mengenai kasi rekrutmen bahkan saja shen ini kemarin dari pemerintah gedung kumne man kepo kene ke bil tika kadon na gedung contractors kiba yo on pendat kidan nomor kiba hak tu kiba mensua kiba dan yo dangwan ka tikena ka phone ro lamba tep na ke daw ke jing slam to di thap papu kadan ke jing bon patla ba submit ki ni ki engineer consent na division ki bofer ke jing po islam de bil jemla syu ban siu itu ko por badan don pisa ki don ki bala don hadu ba sau snem ro ki don ki bala snem ro te rei bubun bede ke dei nadu benai April jom mono snem arajar apsau hadu beta kaba ko bubun ni ki contractors ko ki khamyo bil syu de kane dei ka long sha ka jing ya makrau ban mi skwa ban tu ip hang ne ha happy ki press ki media ro nakalian ke jongi kom geseng jela pampau ro ki susi namar ki don nakalian jongi para contractors ki jongi ke bang yumkwa ban jer keteng namar ke jur pelat ke pressure namar ki shimlun na bang ki shimni ki tiar na ki dukan ni hardware kemat bahadu bagila suicide ki jongi bro kadan hangane pori ke jongi ide susi baka jia ka kum gene de rengi nakalian ke jongi kum ka seng ida karpat ya ki brok ki pra contractors kolong ba ngimdei ban le kum ta nin ya yap ni sha kum kejat benriu ku ba ju klan ke jingmut ke jing berhak kolong ba ni so ban apil ba ngimdei ban le adu kata bang shim le dong jim te nakalian ni pi ru mi kwa ba ke si so don bok ke paulam ni gane ka pau ke jongi ba ida susi ban ngim kwa iru ban ya thu kerteng mano ida dari kala don ke ba tentang ini diklihat nation kebajian kum ketaro dan mar kata ni nget ba ka Sorkar ro kensukhya hadu baki dreu ken sim le gejong gejim tang namar ba kimyo syu ya ka bisa bala pelut namar ke jingwan jing pressure na ki angel ki ba per hadu ban poi ta ga hadu kata ka ban dekat ke le jong le dia la ka ni kelong makan siu ga ni ki jing trai ba khaj ba ni la pandap ba nak leng jong ki engineer ki la pha ki bil hang ni ondal awan ki pisar kelong ba kata ni ni yo ya ke ba ki la dep trai kat kum ke ba ki la snai ke bil
Pak, kulum kan lu ketika kalalak kebak sakut.
Kum mengiju penpaman kapur maka bil hadu balak poi hadu kini ke sni hadu kini ke sni hau hang ni po chief engineer kalong ba kumba kenai spa produk kibran sa ro kidam bun namar ba nagaleng jong ni kum ki contractors ki babun mot kila ile spino namar ba ka jibobio isa kalong mlak surban kersan di kibran ya trai melumalar kidon trai kibla susanya no unturu namar ba kibla surban sil no trai ban kitya kitaro dan mar kata kalalong lada kan ke skim kam ya back gang kalong ding ke jing do nong yang ni ki contractors kalong ro ke jing do nong yo pai ba namar ba ke jing kwa ba nong ba pen pui man ke chiling long ba kanam la ban urlong namar ba to snam arajara putra lam takkan do wat ma kot ma kot.
Today, I had a meeting with the Contractor Association leaders of Kasi Jantia portion. So, this was pertaining to the pending bills of JJM, which has been executed by our contractors here. So, I've told them many regions, earlier Government of India has, put so many criteria that you fulfill these criteria, then payment will be given to you. But after completing all the criteria, now so many issues started coming back again. Like Jalankalan. Jalankalan is a kind of a social audit, which have to be project-wise. ID has to be created, and then it is if it is not functional, the reason thereof, and then if it is functioning very good. So therefore, these are the issues which Government of India has put in. And then other one was, operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance part also we have already completed, and Government of Meghalaya has already notified. But now we are stuck up with the 15 Finance Commission tied fund, which was given to the district councils. So now district councils were not given any utilization certificate to the Government of India. Now Government of India is putting a condition that you submit this utilization certificate to the Government of India, then we will start releasing the JJM fund. So Government of Meghalaya is working on it. Chief Minister had a meeting with different officials, and District Council Affairs Minister has also had a meeting several times. Chief Secretary is also from his level having the meetings around several rounds now. So we are hoping to get this also done, and once everything is done, we are hoping to go through all the conditions that have been given to us. So I have requested all our contractors to have some more patience, because we are trying our level base. I personally has already gone to the Government of India. We had a meeting with C.R. Patil ji. We had our officers are regularly having meetings with Government of India officials to fulfill the criteria they are putting up. And from our Chief Minister's level also have given several letters. We are putting our all pressures, but Government of India has not started paying. They have not paid to any states till now. So therefore, I think we are again planning to put some more pressure. I have already requested Honorable Chief Minister again. Since now the mood for BJP is very good. They have won the elections in Bengal, they have won the elections in Assam. This is the good move. I think we should go to Delhi and we should request for these payments and all. That's what my request to our Honorable Chief Minister. So we are hoping to get all kinds of the same payments and kinds of assistance that Government of India has to do. So our respected contractor leaders, they have also understood the situation that we are facing, and I hope I was able to convince them to have some more patience to wait for the payments, to make the payments. Thank you.
So
How patients we have gone to Delhi. They have also called our meeting, and we have attended several times in Delhi. Very recently we have gone for a Jal Jeevan 2.0 MOU signing also. There also we have discussed the issues. regarding the pending bills. In the sense, the money was given to the district council, 15 Finance Commission tight fund. The money was given to the district councils. 100 crore was given to Meghalaya through district councils. KHADC, GHADC and JHADC, I think. So that utilization certificate were pending.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.